Your thoughts, those sentences in your mind, are what create your feelings. Your feelings are what drive your actions, and your actions create your results. Every action in your life is because of a feeling, and every feeling in your life is because of a thought you're thinking. So step one is to really begin to look inside your mind and see what you're thinking. The process of watching your mind think requires you to separate yourself from your own mind. We start looking at our mind, we start being more conscious, and it's amazing the number of negative thoughts we have. We have like 60,000 thoughts per day. I like to picture the mind when it's unsupervised as like a 2-year-old left in the house unsupervised. It may have sharp objects and maybe running around with them. Once you turn the light on in your mind, you may be tempted to turn it right back off. And if you've never directed your mind or never told your mind what to think, it may be thinking old thoughts from childhood. It may be on a negative spin cycle, thinking a lot of negative thoughts. Who knows? It's been an unsupervised toddler, basically running rampant. When it comes to anything in your life, if you ask yourself why you are doing something that you're doing, why you're feeling the way you're feeling, the answer that you give yourself will always be a thought, because what's going on inside your mind is what will determine how you feel, act, and the results you get.